Hi, I am going to introduce three types of Kuka robot motions, which are PTP, linear, and circular. What is point-to-point? The PTP motion. When PTP motion is applied for the path from P1 to P2, the tool center point, the TCP, will follow the fastest possible path instead of the shortest path. Based on the figure, yes, the solid line instead of dotted line. Well, next, we would like to talk about the linear motion. When linear motion function is applied for the path from P1 to P2, the TCP follows linearly and directly from P1 to P2 in the line. In another word, it goes with a straight line, and we can say that is the shortest path from P1 to P2. Other than PTP and linear motion, robot TCP can follow a circular path with circular motion function. The circular path can be defined by 3 points, which are start point, auxiliary point, and end point. The robot TCP will follow the path from start point to end point, passing through auxiliary point with a circular pattern.
Now, let us talk about approximate positioning function. Approximate positioning actually means that the motion does not stop exactly at the programmed point. Approximate positioning is an option that can be selected during the motion programming, for example, PTP motion, linear motion, and circular motion.
The PTP motion function with approximate positioning. The TCP leaves the path that would lead directly to the endpoint, and moves along a faster path. During programming of the motion, the maximum distance from the endpoint, at which the TCP may deviate from its original path, is defined. The path of an approximated PTP motion cannot be predicted. It is also not possible to predict which side of the approximated point the path will run. The same concept goes to the linear motion function for approximate positioning. For circular motion, the accuracy of the program path will stop at auxiliary point from start point, while the endpoint is approximated. By the way, the path in the approximate positioning range is not an arc.
Demo component tour in T1, T2 and auto mode. PTP motion, it travels from a point to another point. It is a fastest distance with minimum motion, and linear motion is a motion in straight line. While for circular motion, the motion in circular path, it is guided by start point, auxiliary point, and end point. Usually T1 mode is used for the test operation, programming and teaching. It will move in minimum speed, while for T2 mode, it will run faster than T1. Basically, it is for testing operation. In auto mode, the robot arm will move in high speed to complete the task. Automatic mode is for industrial robot without high-level controller. This operation is a combination of PTP, LIN, and circular motion. Demo, approximate positioning. Approximate positioning is used to reduce or minimize time consumed. It will not stop at points and will move continuously. It moves continuously without go through the point. demo logic function. At this point, it will wait for 5 seconds. And then it will stop here to wait for the input signal. We use the switch to activate it. Then the switch is activated.